Charles County in southern Maryland, King George County in northern Virginia, City of Fredericksburg in central Virginia, southeastern Culpeper County in northern Virginia, eastern Spotsylvania County in central Virginia, southeastern Prince William County in northern Virginia, Stafford County in northern Virginia, southeastern Fauquier County in northern Virginia, until 7:15 p.m. At 6:29 p.m., severe thunderstorms were detected along the line extending from 9 miles north of Massaponax to 9 miles south of Massaponax, and were moving east at 60 miles per hour. This line of storms is capable of producing destructive winds in excess of 70 miles per hour. Locations impacted include Aquia Creek, Stafford, Potomac Creek, Port Tobacco River. A tornado watch is in effect for the warned area. This is a dangerous line of storms. If you are in its path, prepare immediately for damaging wind gusts and frequent cloud-to-ground lightning. Move indoors to a sturdy building and stay away from windows.